What is the current update for you? Like, what's the current update for you? Okay, there's a person who is constantly trying to throw their evil magic or spell works on you, and this person is trying to delay your success. It's not coming from jealousy; it's coming from immature behavior. This person is jealous from your psychic abilities, and they're continuously trying to gaslight it or continuously trying to bind this ability. But when you feel like when you show that it's not working on you, nothing is working on you, this person feels agitated. They're doing it, or someone is doing it because there are two people who are trying to actually get your attention by doing some tantra and magic over you. The one person can belong to a powerful position or authority, or they just want to have authority over you because you are doing something successful and powerful. This person can be your ex, and this person can also be somebody's friend also. Yeah, the friend of somebody, or this person is like so much into occult and negative magic and all. They want to possess you by power, by force, by money and all these things, but you are acting like a high priestess here. So goddesses are trying to tell you in some way, forget about these people are not significant. Even if somebody was there in your past, somebody's there in the future, just forget about such people and be seated in your truth. What is your truth? If you're not seated in your truth, only then these things can hurt you. And you have immense courage to be seated, and they're taking advantage of it. Like, you have a fear to be seated in the truth, and they are taking advantage of that truth. Like, that situation where you are not completely seated in that truth, or you're not accepting that thing. Now goddess is telling you to get back to your power. It's time for you to get back to your power, otherwise people will humiliate you or disturb you and get some benefits from you, or they're trying to do this with you so that they can either put you back to your power or just put you down. If they put you back to your power, they are satisfied because that's where they are. But if you continue to strive for more and more, then you will be excellent, you will be awesome, you will be beautiful. So these people are trying to put you down. Now goddess is trying to tell you such people are good for nothing, and you are meant to be elevated. So whatever these people are doing, you will be elevated from this space. You will be following a greater path, and these people will be able to do nothing. These people will be able to do nothing. So let's see what is the guidance for you. Don't too much just work for the sake of money and prosperity and fame. Forget about it. You are doing some work because of because of some other reasons, and do that for, like, it can be a person. Okay, I understood. Someone is trying to put you off the track because they want you to work for money, and somebody is there just to support you and to make you feel like, okay, you are a good person. And this person is trying to tell you, don't follow those people, they are not good ones. Don't follow those people, they are not good ones. This person is also trapped in something else, and this person is looking at something else and looking on something else. And when their focus is on something else, your life suffers. So it's like when you focus on them and then this person focus, like, it's like both of you are looking at each other, everything is fine. So now goddess is trying to tell you, this is what happened in the past, or this is what happens when you forget what is your purpose and you get lost in certain other things. There are some very mischievous people around you who are trying to disturb you and distract you. Now it's time for you to understand, you don't have to go back to where you are and where you started something. You have to become a person who is extremely compassionate, extremely knowledgeable, extremely understanding, and then do the work. Only then this is going to help, or this is going to work for other people. Otherwise it's not going to work for you. So there's something they are doing to disturb you, to distract you, to put you off the track, and they feel like they will be able to get it, they will be able to put you off the track, and they will be able to disturb you. This can be a third party or other people. These people will be extremely much they will be defeated by you. You are going to take this very clear and a very strong decision in your life, where you feel like, those who are not good for me, I'm not entertaining any such people who are not good for me. I'm not going to be defeated this time. And once you decide this, your path will be completely cleared.